Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tommy James in case you're new here, and if you're not new, thank you so very much for coming back to my channel today. So guys, in today's video I have this leftover attachment I used for one of my braid wig, and I've been thinking of what to do with it, so I came up with something. All right, so what I'll be needing is a straw and a rubber band. All right, you can actually use this flexi rod or something, but I used a straw here. All right, so the first thing I'm going to be doing is picking the quantity of attachment I need. All right, and I'm going to be taking my straw like so. All right, I am going to be placing the attachment right in the middle of the straw. All right, I'm going to ensure that it is directly in the middle, at the middle, and it is same length. All right, and I am just going to roll it. I saw this on some YouTuber channel, and I thought I am going to try it out too. This is actually my first time. All right, so I'm just going to roll it. I'm going to roll one end first. All right, depending on how big I want the coils to be, I want it to be very small, so I'm going to roll it really closely, really tightly like that. If I want loose coils, I'm going to just give it enough space. All right, so when I roll and get to the extreme end of the attachment, I'm going to bend my straw like that and then secure the end with a rubber band. Actually, you can use pins or whatever you have to secure it. All right, I have rubber bands available, so I just thought it will suffice. Whatever you have that will secure it is okay. All right, so and then I'm going to continue to roll the other end. All right, and then repeat the same process.
I'm going off every chance I get. I don't really take a loss, well, I'll admit. That's why I'll make it to the top, yeah, I commit. And no, I'm never getting lost, I get after it.
So guys, I was able to do a few. I actually ran out of rubber bands, and I'll most likely do the rest later when this one are ready. All right, but this is what we have. This is everything I was able to do with the rubber band I have. So the next is I'm going to put it in this bowl, and then hot water, put my conditioner in hot water and just pour it in it. All right, you can just go in with your conditioner and hot water directly. All right, okay, so I let it dry a bit. All right, just a bit. It's not really totally dry yet, and so I just unravel the rubber band, and I'm going to gently unravel the hair from the straw. I wasn't really careful here, honestly. I was a bit rough for this first one. You want to gently unravel. You do not want to stretch it out too much. All right, you want to carefully unravel like that. All right, like I said, I wasn't so careful here. You do not want to do this. You want to be really careful, because if you're not careful, at the end of the day you're just going to mess up your coils, and you do not want that. All right, so I'm just going to keep unraveling, and that's it. So guys, as a result of not being careful, I have this stretched out coils, and you do not want that. You want to be really careful. All right, the next thing to do is to pick your scissors and cut it off, the tip off. Sorry, you do not want it. All right, so guys, I'm done unraveling the rest, and this is what we have. This can actually do a whole lot of things like twist, crochet, and a lot. I'm going to come up with something, and it's most definitely going to be the next video. So please guys, subscribe, turn on your post notifications so you know when I upload a new video. Please like, comment, and share. All right, until I see all of you beautiful and amazing people in my next video, please stay safe.